Hello, Nistas and Neasters. It's a Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for all of you. And this is truly just for all of you. For the last 18 years, we have been sharing our incredible brand with all of you. And you named yourselves a temp-tationista and a temp-tationeaster. So we thought it would be really fun to commemorate that in a special edition, limited edition, 16-ounce mug that gives what we feel is the definition of a Nista and a Neaster. I'm gonna read it to you, okay? Let me turn it around. A Nista, it's a noun. It's a lover of great food, duh, good times, and all things temptations. Also known as a temp-tationista or a temp-tationeaster. Commonly found in kitchens and everywhere yumminess abounds. Yes, raising my hand for that. $14.95 only over at temp-tations.com. Shipping and handling included. And take a peek right here. There you can see all of that handwritten detail with, of course, the pop of your old world, your floral lace all the way around. Sweet little pedestal right here on the bottom. Nice oversized handle and everything you love about Temp-tations. Still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. The refrigerator, the freezer, the microwave, the dishwasher. This is so special and so fun. We have never done anything like it, which is why we want to call it our Temp-tations Tara's must-have. $14.95 only over at temp-tations.com. Shipping and handling included, and there's only a limited edition. So come join the group. Cheers.